Hello everyone! Welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys having an amazing summer 2025 wherever you are in the world. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. You are all highly appreciated. If you're new here, welcome. Cross-watchers are also welcome. This reading is not your personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Please remember to take what resonates and leave what doesn't. The energy of this reading could be reversal. For some of you, it could not be your story, and it could not be your energy. So please use your own discernment, okay? I do believe that we are all intuitive in our own ways. And aside from that, I also believe that we are all individually responsible for our own choices and our own destiny, right? Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. Give me that accurate reading, please. The past, the present, the future, and the outcome of this reading. What the Scorpio needs to know about everything. Love, money, career, business, and studies. Show me the cards what I need to see, please. So, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see your high energy during Mercury retrograde, which will last on the 11th of August this month. The planet of communication is in retrograde. First, we have Frühling. This is a German language astro cards which stands for spring. There could be a major things will happen to you during spring season. For some of you guys, this is your rebirth. Congratulations. Others of you, it could also be that there are people who are mourning of losing you because you are not the same person before. There could be a loss and a separation as well. Others of you, it could also be that somebody here wants to bring back something from the dead, because somebody here wants to be the part of your new beginning. Unfortunately, you are not the same person before because you already evolved into a higher frequency. This is your rebirth. This is the time to harvest the fruits of your labor, and that's why there are people who wants to return. If this is a new person, this person wants to be the part of your new beginning. It could also that this person is transforming. Could also that this person is leaving the past situation behind, the toxic karmic cycle. Could be a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Could also be any other sign. It could also that this person wants to reach you out during spring season. For some of you, this is related to your abundance, your harvest season. That's why there are lots of people who wants to return. Be very mindful from the returnees. As I have said, a snake sheds its skin only to become a bigger snake. I never see all. I said, be very mindful of the past people, especially with whom you are going to give back and access in your life. Somebody here wants to be the part of your pie, your harvest. Let me see. Your challenge here is, this is the sun. Here comes the sun. And I'll say, it's all right, little darling. It's been a cold, lonely winter, little darling. Here comes the sun, and I'll say, it's all right. Wow. This is the favorite song of my father, one of his favorite songs, my late father, because he is the fan of the Beatles. And here comes the sun. I love this card for you because you choose to be happy. You choose to heal the painful situation in the past, the old wounds, and there could be an illumination here as well of all the things hidden in the dark. This could be the trickery, lies, and manipulation which was created with this person or group of people in the past. You have seen the truth of who they are. There could also be an illumination, an exposure here about a child, a pregnancy, surrogacy, adoption, parenthood, and or partnership. Others of you guys, there are people in the past who tried to swap your destiny because they are triggered with your lights. You are the mirror, and mirror never lies. You could be a healer, because this is also the energy of a healer. Or you are dealing with a Leo, or you have a Leo in your birth chart for some of you. Of course, not all of you. A Leo or a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, is going to challenge you. Others of you guys, this person in the past wants to heal the old wounds between you and them. As the saying goes on, if you couldn't beat them, join them. You could be dealing with a person who is in the public eye, could also be celebrities, could also be that they viewed you that you are the truth of their spotlights, and that's why they tried to dim your lights. By all means, they tried to throw you under the bus. When I said they throw you under the bus, this is not literally, this is metaphorically. Unfortunately, this is your destiny to shine. Because for most of you, you have a mission to this world. Of course, not all of you. You could be a healer. If this is a new person, this person viewed you as their sunshine, a healer. Somebody wants to approach you. It could also that this person wants to make you happy. If this is the past person or your ex, the people around you in the past, they want to harmonize the relationship between you and them. Could also that they're going to approach you during spring season or summer season. And others of you guys, it could also be that in the past, this person couldn't stand your aura, your frequency. Whether you like it or not, you are one of the most intimidating signs in the zodiac. They couldn't stand your frequency, especially if you are an empath. And that's why no matter how kind you are to them, they will try to throw you under the bus, to dim your lights, because they couldn't stand your aura. A Leo and a water sign is involved here, but this person is going to challenge you. Could be a Leo, or you have a Leo in your birth chart. If this is a new person, they wants to be the part of your new beginning, because they viewed you as their sunshine. They viewed you as a healer. Could be that he wants to approach you during summer or during spring season. There could be a significant meaning for you with spring season. And or number 8. 888 or 555 is significant in this reading. There could be a change here as well, and this person don't like that you change. Because they couldn't control you, they couldn't manipulate you, they couldn't bluff you anymore. 85, 58, 8855 is significant in this reading. Number 8 is what goes around comes back around. Rest assured that whatever they have done on you, they are now experiencing. This is your abundance. That's why this is your harvest season. Number 8, 888. This could also be the Lion's Gate portal on the August 8th. And that's why they want to heal the grudges, the old ones between you and them. Everything is restored on you. You are advised to continue your healing journey, to protect your energy. You have an assured success. Congratulations. And it could also be that this person wants to approach you either during summer or spring season. And this is your challenge, because they are now reaping what they sow. Number 8 is they reap what they sow. Number 8, number 5 is significant. And number 50, number 5, 55, 88, 85, 58 is significant in this reading. Let me see. The spiritual lesson here is, this is Mars. You could be dealing or attracting as well an Aries or a fellow Scorpio, or could also be any other sign. Or you have an Aries in your birth chart or the person you are dealing with. I feel like this person involved you to a conflict in the past, to chaos, turbulence, for whatever reason, because they want to dim your lights. It could also be that this person or group of people are in the public eye, or you are in the public eye and they are competing on you. Could also be that this person wants to take an action towards on you. For some of you guys, you are no longer engaging your energy to them because you are tired and sick with a BS. I don't know what they have done on you. With a trickery, lies, and manipulation. For some of these people, they want to approach you because everything exposed now. Or they want to approach you before the trickery, lies, and manipulation exposed. Because there could be an exposure here. This is a challenge. The Sun. And this person wants to approach because they wants to communicate with you, to take an action towards on you. If this is a new person, they wants to win over you. An Aries, a fellow Scorpio, a Leo, or a water sign. Because these are the cards come out here. For some of you, you are no longer engaging your energy to them because this is over. You already transformed. Now they wants to come back, especially if these are the past people, because they wants to be the part of your harvest. Let me see. The other past situation is Pluto. This is again the energy of a fellow Scorpio. You could be dealing or attracting a fellow Scorpio, an Aries, a Leo, or Cancer, Pisces, because these are the cards come out here. I don't know what they have done, and you could also be a collaboration. Everything is now exposed or is going to expose because this is your challenge, the Sun. And I feel like this person viewed you as mysterious. They viewed you that you are keeping secret. Because you know why? Because whatever they have done on you, it didn't work. That's why they viewed you that you are secretive, that there is something behind you who protect you. Of course, for most of you guys, if you are on the right path, you are divinely protected with your divine angels and divine ancestors. That's why, even though they tried harder to dim your lights, to swap your destiny, it didn't work. Because you have a mission to this world. You come across this person or group of people because you are the one who is going to enlighten them. For some of these people, they are enlightened. That's why they want to approach you. Others of these people, they are enlightened, but they never learn their lesson. Because for some of these people, guys, they don't believe in God, they don't believe in karma. That's the problem, and that's not your problem. Because everything is cleared. This is the illumination of all the things hidden in the dark, the trickery, lies, and manipulation. I told you. Fellow Scorpio is involved here. If this is a new person, they wants to be the part of your new beginning. They are willing to transform to be the part of your new beginning. A Scorpio, an Aries, a Leo, Cancer, Pisces is involved here. Let me see. The present energy is the second house. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 222. This could be related to your soulmate, the alignment of your purpose. Others of you guys, it could also that you are dealing with a couple. It could also that this couple is involved in this particular situation, or could also be your soulmate. Could also be that this person is involved in this karmic ties who are coming against you in the past. A collaboration. I told you. Could also be a couple, or you are dealing or attracting a Taurus. This person, if this is a new person, they wants to invest with you. Could also that this person is a rich person, or you are the one who is a rich person. Take what resonates because everyone is different. It could also be that in the past there is money involved here, and that's why somebody here wants to heal the old wounds between you and them. They wants to approach you. If these are the past people, it could also be that this person will give you back the money this come. I don't know what this is all about. It doesn't matter which sign or this person, if this is a new person, they wants to invest you because they viewed you as an abundance. This is your powerful new beginnings. This person could also be going to allure you with money, or this person is a rich person, or you are the one who is a rich person. Could be a Taurus. Take only what fits in your story. Let me see. The future here is Uranus. This is an Aquarius energy. In your last reading, it was also come out. You could be dealing or attracting an Aquarius, a Taurus, a Pisces, Cancer, Leo, Taurus, Scorpio, and an Aries. Could also be a collaboration. A group of people includes a couple who are collaborating against you to swap your destiny in the past. Unfortunately for them, because it didn't work, you are predestined to shine, because for most of you, you are the healer. The light is within you. That's why they couldn't stand your frequency. They tried everything to dim your lights, and it didn't work, because there's an illumination here. And you have harvest. Because you are co-creating to the Divine Most High, you are divinely guided and protected, especially if you are a chosen one. If you are a light worker. If you are a healer. And Aquarius is involved in the situation. Could also that this person wants to communicate with you. They doesn't want you to stand in your power. They don't like it that you have vision. That's why they are collaborating against you to dim your lights, to throw you under the bus. Now they want to communicate with you. They want to heal the old wounds. Because, as the saying goes on, if you couldn't beat them, join them. I told you. For some of these people, guys, they forced to swallow their ego and their pride. Because they have no choice. They couldn't swap your destiny. This is your destiny, and this is only an illusion for this person or group of people. An Aquarius is involved here. If this is a new person, they want to communicate with you because they have seen that you have vision. This is related to your situation that you are evolving. If this is the past person, they hate it that you evolve. Because they are part of this collaboration, trying to dim your lights. Doing black magic, cast spells, witchcraft, money spells, abracadabra. I don't know what they have done on you because everyone is different. Could be an Aquarius. Or you have an Aquarius in your birth chart for some of you. Let me see. Your attitude has the 7th house. This is a Libra energy. You could be dealing or attracting a Libra or a person has an authority. Not necessary. Could also be any other sign. This is related to love and partnership. Somebody here could also be going to divorce, to separate. Because, you look, there could be an ending here. An ending and a new beginning. And, it could also be that this person wants to give you balance. If these are the past people, or they viewed you as balance. Could also that they involves you to a third party situation, and now they realize that they are involved in a toxic situationship. That's why somebody wants to communicate with you, to approach you, either during summer or during spring season. Take what resonates because everyone is different. Others of you guys, whatever they have done on you, you are now receiving the justice. And that's why there is an illumination here. I don't know what they have done on you because everyone is different. You look the sun. That's why he wants to communicate with you. Could also be a couple. Or it could also be a collaboration. Includes a couple who tried to swap your destiny. If this is a new person, they viewed you as balanced. That's why they wants to invest with you. They wants as well to give you balance. For some of these people, guys, they have seen what the people have done to you. A Libra is involved here. Could be also a group of 7 people. There could be a significant meaning to you with the number 777. Please pay attention. This is your lucky breaks. This is your lucky number. You could be born on the 7th of the month or in 1977 or the person you are dealing with. Can you imagine how powerful you are? They are collaborating against you. The power of 7, the power of 2, the power of 5, the power of 8. And they will say that you are nothing. You are not nothing. They have seen the lights within you, the sun. That's why they are triggered with your frequency. You are not nothing. If you are nothing, my fellow Scorpios, they will not collaborate against you. That's why they tried to dim your lights and to swap your destiny, because there is something inside you that they don't have and they couldn't have. I told you. A Libra is involved here, an Aquarius, a Leo, Taurus, Cancer, Pisces, Aries, Scorpio. That's all they can do. And they will say that you are nothing, Scorpio. You cannot do. Why they are collaborating against you? Why? Because the light is within you and they are triggered. These are the low vibes people. That's all they can do. Jealousy and envy reigns in their ugly, poor hearts. And Aries is involved here. And a fellow Scorpio as well. Let me see. The outside influence here is again a Leo. Double confirmation, the Sun. Lovi is a German language which stands for the Leo. You could be dealing or attracting a Leo, or you have a Leo in your birth chart. For some of you, of course not all of you. It could also be that this will happen during the Lion Gate portal, which is 888. This is related to abundance. That's why people want to heal the old wounds. Because they couldn't beat you. Oh, Scorpio, congratulations. We are here to heal the grudges. Be very mindful of the past people. I told you. A Leo is involved here. It could also that this is a new person and they wants you to be playful with them. This person wants you to be happy with them. Could also that this person wants to have a child with you. If these are the past people, they are going to approach you because in the past they engaged you to turbulence, chaos, conflict, drama. And now they knew that their secrets, trickery, lies, and manipulations is going to expose or is now exposed includes child, pregnancy, surrogacy, parenthood, partnership, etc. Oh my gosh. Be very mindful of the past people. Let me see. Your hopes and fears is Venus. This is again the energy of Libra and Taurus. Double confirmation with Libra and Taurus here. A Leo as well. And an Aries and fellow Scorpio is double confirmation as well. Pisces, Cancer. You look, I feel like this person viewed you as sensual, seductive. This person wants to express their feelings towards on you. Could also be that they feel like you are lovable. You are capable to be loved and to love. This person could be a Libra or a Taurus. It could also that this person wants you to be their partner. If you are single, if you are available and still negotiable. Because somebody who wants to offer you a stability. Could also that this person is a rich person or this person having an authority. This person wants to give you balance. They viewed you as balance. If these are the past people, this person wants to give you balance because there could be a scam here involved. It could also that they tried to block your work, your creativity, your financial success and stability. For whatever reason, because of jealousy and envy. The outcome here is Krebs. I told you. Krebs is a German language that stands for Cancer. You could be dealing or attracting a Cancer, not necessary. Could also be a matured mother figure, or you are the matured mother figure. Somebody who needs a support, or you are the one who needs a support from this person. Take what resonates because everyone is different. Remember, somebody who is using children. in order to have access on you. Or they blackmailed you with children because they want to have a support here related to money. There could be a money scam here. Or you are not the father of these children, of this child, and they are just blackmailing you because they want you to support financially. Take what's resonates because everyone is different. And somebody who needs a support could be a matured mother figure and a children. Well, let me clarify your readings for today, my beautiful souls. Is Scorpio. This is 888 Lionsgate portal during Mercury retrograde. Why the sun in this reading? Tell me more about the sun here, please. It is clarified as, oh my gosh, you look, this person, a group of people are so unhealed. They need to undergo the dark night of the soul, to meditate, to contemplate. That's why I told you, your advisor, to detoxify yourself from the negative energy which was sent to you with this person or group of people. A Leo is involved here. Or you have a Leo in your birth chart. This person is so unhealed. It could also be that they are using black magic, witchcraft, because they want to swap your destiny in the past, right? They want to dim your lights. Could also be that these are a celebrity, a group of elite who wants to dim your lights for whatever reason, because of jealousy and envy. Now, you look, your ancestors are pissed with this person. I don't know what they have done on you. That's why this person now is so miserable. While your light is shining bright, everything exposed, the trickery, lies, and manipulation, this person or group of people are miserable because your divine ancestors pissed off. You look, they are keep watching them. I don't know what they have done on you because they tried to swap your destiny, right? And it didn't work because this is your destiny to shine. This is only their illusion. That's why your divine ancestors pissed. Clarify me, Father, why the spring season in this reading? Please tell me more about the spring season. It is clarified as balance restored. Your mind, body, and soul. That's why they couldn't stand. They couldn't stand that your light is shining bright and you are balanced. Remember? Libra come out here twice. This is balance. And the justice is being served on your part, especially if you are on the right path. That's why this person or group of people, you look, they are so dark. I can feel the darkness of their soul. And your divine ancestors return all the negative energy they sent to you from this person or group of people who are collaborating against you to dim your lights, to swap your destiny. While you have everything restored, this is your harvest season, your rebirth, spring season. This is a rebirth. And that's why somebody here wants to heal the old ones. Because they couldn't beat you, they will join you. Oh my gosh. Whoever you are, go and heal yourself. You are having a dark energy. Instead of swapping the destiny of other people, this is only an illusion. Go and work for yourself. Find your passion. Instead of envy, jealousy. Oh my gosh, so terrible. Clarify me, Father, why Uranus in this reading? This is the future, the Uranus, the Aquarius energy. It is clarified as, oh my gosh, you look, this person wants to block your third eye chakra. If this is a new person, they are manifesting you in their lives. If these are the past people, they tried to block the blueprint. They doesn't want you to have a clear vision because they are jealous of your vision. You could be a gifted person. They're jealous with your gift. Could be an Aquarius. Because Uranus is the energy of an Aquarius. They hate it that you are evolving. They doesn't want you to tap up your vision. That's why they tried to block the blueprint, your third eye chakra as well. However you are, go and heal yourself. Because this person, maybe they didn't believe in God and the karma. That's why they did it over and over again. Because they couldn't stand your lights. You look at the energy. But your divine ancestor peace with this person or group of people. But there are people who will never learn their lesson. Nevertheless, my fellow Scorpio, you are here divinely guided and protected. Just continue to meditate and pray. To detoxify yourself because this person or group of people are hateful. Because your light is shining bright. Right, and this is your harvest season. You transform. This is your rebirth. They are so jealous and envy. That's why. Clarify me, Father. Why Mars in this reading? Please tell me more about Mars, please. I told you, you have that divine codes, and that's why they wants to rob it. They wants to steal from you, but no one can steal your destiny. This is only their illusion. That's why it involves you to conflict, chaos, and turbulence in the past by creating drama. Now it's over because everything exposed or is going to expose. And this is the time for you to harvest the fruits of your labor because you are continuing your work. And that's why they have seen that they failed to dim your lights because you are here divinely guided and protected. This is your guardian angel and your divine ancestors are protecting you. They are keeping watching with this person or group of people. You look, they want to steal from you. This is related to your divine codes. This is related to your gift. That's why they involves you to chaos, turbulence, because they want to harvest your energy. And when you are drained, they will have the chance to take your power. I told you, but they have no chance because you are here divinely guided and protected. That's why they failed to swap your destiny, the sun. The truth always prevails in the end. You look, the sun is here. This is over. But for some of these people who have a negative energy, who are low vibes, who are jealous, ASF, they will not accept that they are defeated. That's why they're still trying to block your third eye chakra. They can do over and over again, but you are here divinely guided and protected. They are only writing their own misery. You look, they already miserable. Hurt people, because your divine ancestors sent back all the negative energy from this person or group of people who are collaborating against you. Oh my gosh, I can feel the negative energy of these people. Why Cancer in this reading? Please tell me more about Cancer. It is clarified as I told you again, this is your third eye chakra. They are targeting your vision. Oh my gosh. Could be a Cancer or a matured mother figure. Whoever you are, go and heal yourself. If this is a new person, I feel like this person, they needs healing. Because they viewed you as a healer, right? The sun. And that's why they wants to communicate with you, to approach you, to take an action towards you. Could be a Cancer. Could also be a matured mother figure. That's all they can do. But remember, you are here divinely guided and protected. Just continue to meditate and pray and detoxify the negative energy which was sent this person or group of people. Because of jealousy and envy, they couldn't stand your lights. What is second house, sir, please? It is clarified as astral projection. This person wants to meet you in their dreams. Be very careful, because it could also be that they wants to blindfold you through your dreams. Pay attention to your dreams and synchronicities. Could be a Taurus. It could also that this person is daydreaming on you and they wants to invest with you. If these are the past people, I feel like they're feeling entitled to your success, and they couldn't imagine that they failed to dim your lights, to swap your destiny. All they can do is to meet you in their dreams, because you cut the access of this person or group of people. My gosh, whoever you are, go and hell yourself. Oh my gosh. Why Pluto in this reading? Tell me more about Pluto here, please. It is clarified as knowledge. This person viewed you as knowledgeable, that you have lots of wisdom and knowledge, or you are dealing with a person who is knowledgeable and lots of wisdom. Could be a fellow Scorpio. Somebody is transforming. It could also be that they are now come out from the toxic situationship. Why number 7 here? Why Libra in this reading, please? It is clarified as I told you. For some of these people, guys, they have a spiritual awakening, or they need a spiritual awakening. You look, their soul is so dark, while you have balance. They couldn't believe that you come out at the top of the game. They failed to swap your destiny. Now, they want to heal the old wounds. Remember, if these are the past people, remember your lesson. I never see all, but be very mindful. Nevertheless, you have here a harvest season, your abundance, and everything exposed. All the trickery, lies, and manipulation will come into light, because truth always prevails. Remember that. That ends your reading for today, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if this resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you for joining me here once again. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye.